baby. Yeah. Aja, na me one I don't mix so.
I know what it.
You know how to go. Come in my way be small left so. I don't mix so.
I swear.
This new man. What's it? Anyway, this about making you lunch.
That's how you want me to do.
About making you lunch. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
that's
want?
how you do.
Yeah. And you know your colleague. Men up for me.
I did enough for you. It's soon not so that will come up for you. I will keep up for you.
For me no more.
Now you get some.
Why is that not making you lunch show? Where go to go school? Send a lady pass somebody I go to get lunch.
Okay. I did enough for you. No worry. Now you get you mad.
Aja, how you doing?
Yes, sir.
How much years you do?
It's yours.
How much years Pastor Dai?
40 to 35.
Now you dey encourage Pastor Dai for tell you pikin when na 8 years say na woman. Now so then they start when they see small pikin na woman I begin get lunch. Tomorrow na all that thing they remember Aja. Not encourage any man for tell you small pikin say na woman. Let tell her say that in pikin if not to that lady left. Aja, no man not tell you small pikin say na woman. Now in Peking, if not to that lady left, you hear me? You hear me?
I hear you.
Alright.
Okay, thank you for the advice.
Pastor Dai. How much you that?
Oh, that is small one.
Don't call her small woman. Don't ever call her small woman, Pastor Dai. Small woman no day. Let for call people a small pikin. Now so na go begin by Pastor Dai. You na man not believe. Pastor Dai, if you Pastor Dai, small pikin and you pikin, no call her human. I don't want your Pastor Dai. Pastor Dai, I don't want your small pikin. Now you pikin.
No, if I left people and talking they talk. If I call a human, they are doing good. Na banty.
Pastor Dai, I don't warn you. Now the final warning this are the you. Small pikin, not so you woman, and not give a lot because you get bad intention for her. Call her you pikin. Call her you pick. I don't want you. I don't want you. And they sit down and they watch you.
You go boy, you the call like pick. You get a lunch. You get a lunch. I can't disturb me. You get a lunch.
Sugar bread.
Yes, Mama. I take you, sir.
I do.
I do like I do.
But I can't go market. I want to leave this speaking soon. Yeah. Now they go to the rough quarter and she's small.
Ain't nobody, Mama, ain't nobody. Now you say?
Yes.
Oh, now my sister.
Take care of her, Mona.
Alright.
No make that I hearing.
Hey, Auntie Mary. Nancy, now shut up. Hey, Auntie Mary, when you want left you begin now, it's not left and you man. Yes, friend woman and the company left and here. Woman will careful, will carry him back home. You will take care of yourself.
I will take care of this. I am one sir.
Now you for wasu man. Now you for wasu man. Now so we can begin. What the left good picking no more. Now you for wasu man. Shut up. Enough. Now you for wasu man. Auntie Mary go left and
But no left and you say what's I say.
Yeah, my friend.
If we don't face my
You don't know.
This is get intention.
Auntie Mary, when you are left picking a compound, when you know the left and you woman will carry. No left and any man at the compound. Don't believe nobody, Auntie Mary.
Okay, I don't know.
Bye bye, Unabo. Sugar bread.
Okay, thank you.
Sugar bread. If you get intention for two people that picking partner, now this compound, sugar bread. Police, not for you. Keep quiet. Don't talk now nonsense. No, not come up here people that picking there.
I don't get no intention. If we never left at me, I will take care for no more. That's the left.
Hello? Yes, I do. Yes, I do know. My look is small. Last and Pikindi. Okay. Alright. Khadija! Khadija! Huh? Come, Khadija. You sabi that you uncle making cancel me and anything? When you up here. Go there, go tell and say that money wait for give me. Say na auntie na he send you, say that money wait for give me. Go, what you can?
Can you wait? Who say the same Khadija?
That's what me lie.
You boyfriend?
Yes.
Left for send God pick to boyfriend.
Hey,
And you will get small picking. Now you said no rape 6-month-old baby.
Wait, see.
So man they rape any kind picking as long as a woman. Kadi, girl picking not for sending them to boyfriend. You know what I say? Girl picking not for sending them to any man because Papa don't rape picking. Brother don't rape his sister. So not for sending girl picking to man. Kadi go. Check it. Now you go know how this one long time. Do ya they beg you and all other cobra them. Girl picking not to for send them to boyfriend. Not for send them to any man, whether na uncle or any person. Send other person. They do ya beg. Girl picking and boy picking not for they one side together. You don't know what thing will happen by. Kadi, I don't tell you. I don't tell you.
Thank you, brother, for that.
No tell nobody oh yeah. I dream on even say yeah. No tell nobody oh
Pass a line.
Yeah.
What's he do, Bubu?
That's it.
You sure?
That's
What's
it.
he do? You don't have a pass a line. Pass a line. Not so just you don't have a you never will begin. Pass a line go begin.
What's it? What's that you mind though? What's not begin again this one? I don't know. Let me give me the call begin show me why. What they call the pa? Look, keep on picking. Look what he picking.
What's that eye?
What's that guy? Is she?
What's that girl? Let me come on.
Because you're going to make it believe. Now what you do? They don't chop you. They put it churches.
It's a can no
You don't see him. No, they don't take his business. They don't take his business for.
Aja. Yeah, Mama. Auntie Kadi. Yeah. And the big law said to list as family. Speaking, I will take care of them. I mean, from primary, so to university. You know, I will care about hospital, I will treat them. You know, I will support him, Mama. Yeah. I beg lady, see no go to police. You go police and not finish.
Pastor,
Yes.
I don't ever do you bad.
No.
I don't ever do you bad.
No, not devil.
Why me picking, Pastor? Why me picking?
Devil.
Yeah. She did not settle this talk now, so me no go fight again. We all now family now, so it should be a. She be a more to Aja. She say something now. Yeah, Mama, which is no talk to them.
But now you very safe and no one here give the stock here. Now you very safe and no here. If not you, Pastor, that you picking so. Look that picking. Look at this so far. You go gladdy. Pastor, you go jail.
And I say,
This settlement, I don't make 13 the poil soup. Papa picking like you go to pick the sofa. Pastor, who said the devil pass away? Where can you say? Ask God.
if you go there to me, he say something.
Me waiting on mommy for say when I neighbor business and I all in at the same compound. At least more we say to Lanaya.
Maggie, you talk so come look at you. If not you should be picking. Pastor, you do so what you gonna do?
We say my little.
What you gonna do? No.
The person don't do it, no can go hospital. He go cancel no say to them.
Kadi. Kadi. If now you pastor go broke that shop where you say, what you do?
Hey, me. They come in so far so that shop, they no go do herself.
No, you don't
She go die in a jail. I go knock her up.
Then you follow them and the pastor go to for what they do.
I go make them beat down, they say they are called for this one.
So this people pastor do so. It pass all waiting He don't ever do. For what thief now, for what thief all. What he do? He was past all land.
Yes.
So this is not Bakuta, not a family, so not to compromise. This is not police case. Never take me. I don't call the hotline. I be don't call police. I look at the castle. Papa go thank you.
Tina Inspector Tina from CID with me. Yes, hold on at the passer there. And where did you
Officer, there. How are the arrest? That two and they don't the case now.
It's me. Another day.
You go follow with him. Now go let me do my.
Bambule, una protect with the small one there. No, rest in peace, Khadija.
So we the mama them, please. Let we learn for the condole man them for the touch we begin the ways they call we begin and say this is me woman. And soon as what happen at this video, please let we prevent we begin them and protect them. Now we the mama them, they say we picking come up fine, now papa get the praise. We picking come up bad, now mama get the problem. So do you have to we the mama them? Lord will be very vigilant to want to begin them and take more care. R.I.P. Khadija. Rest in peace, daughter. I love you.
Man, them rape na crime. As soon as you see na rape, they don't hold me for two. Yeah, let me live for rape. Let me live.
To me family them. They are not only for compromise rape case. Because you don't know the future of that pikin when they rape. Look now what's in the happen. We don't lose one vibrant future leader. They are not only for compromise rape case. Because when you get picking, you don't jeopardize the future forever and ever. When somebody get picking, you picking their car go to police station. Call police and what let the law taking cause.
This now for all the rapists them. So anybody will rape, the law will take in cause. So do please let me stop for the rape. Rest in peace, Khadija.
Rest in peace, Khadija. Who the rape they are not tapping this in the mama side. No, I want them to push it with my dad.
Do ya any rape case? Now not talking na us. If na your uncle now, you brother now, you man now rape people pikin, or you rape your own pikin na us. Do ya that matter them not talking na us? More we go report na police because them pikin a future they go well. Rape no good. Khadija, rest in peace.
We begin then. I wanna listen to this message. Now not ever allow man them for church una waste and una bobby say this na me woman. Una say no, my body is mine. Now not ever allow them follow them church una body and una waste it. Rest in peace, Khadija.
Do ya at the big una left for the sending pikia to una boyfriend them. Gia pikin not to think for go to a boyfriend or no gia eat for kango for man. Now they then they start to rape them pikia. Una stop that attitude and they do ya Khadija, rest in peace.
Me comping comrade. Gia, una let we always take care of pikin them at us. Let we know the kind friends the way that they keep and let we know the kind areas the way that they go. Rest in peace, Khadija.
And me family this an advice to everybody, with the young man them, to the old man them. Let me stop this habit. It's not too good for the rape picking them. Let me stop her now.
And also to we the single parents them. Make we not use that as advantage for the same we begin to different manner. Because we as mama now we for be example to we picking them. If we picking them they see different manner towards we, that go send bad signal to them. Please make we stop that because that they expose them back to then kind of dangerous thing there.
I mean I beg me they beg now. For go the left una girl picking and give una ready for commode woman they na compound una they ready for commode and take the girl picking una they find the man no that they not necessary that they not fine that they all the cost rape is when you want commode sisi kadi they watch for me this speaking no go say pastor you go watch for me this speaking that they all no nice
so RIP to Khadija.
Rest in peace to Khadija.
Fambule. Well, Lord, written up. We that Khadija will be the last person we will lose in life due to it. And to always demand, real man don't rape. Real man are possible to be young and get woman. So now we stop raping. No rape anybody. Woman are also being rape. Imagine a young pikin and be do so. How you will feel? Look how all this young pikin so. Anyway, rest in peace, Khadija. Rest in peace. Say rest in peace, Khadija. Indeed, rest in peace, Khadija. Thank you very much for watching this Sierra Network Comedy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, help me for share. Sierra Leoneans there, allow share to company Sierra Leoneans there. We need more views, we need more subscribers than Sierra Leoneans. The viewer will help you for this one. Forget this one. Trust me, we will dedicate to life to Sierra Leone and we will make sure to work for everything we good up on our salon. Thank you very much.